What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Moan. Today we're going to take a look at how to get into a Dodge Charger if the battery dies in it. The beginning part of this video will also apply to if the battery dies in your key fob. So we're going to be demonstrating this on a 2019 Dodge Charger in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So in either one of those scenarios, with a dead key fob or with a dead battery in the Charger, we'll be unable to unlock our Charger. So how we're going to get into it is using the emergency key that's located in the bottom of our key fob. If we press this release on the back, the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we'll use the emergency key to open the driver's door. We're going to turn to the left or counterclockwise. And the battery's not actually dead in this vehicle. I'm just going through the demonstration. Now's a good time to go ahead and pull that emergency key out and put it back in your fob just so you don't lose it. And now we have the vehicle open. So if you have a dead key fob and you need to know how to start the vehicle now, we've covered that in another video, and I'll put a link to that in the description box of this video. But if you have a dead battery in the vehicle itself, there's a few options that we can go over. The battery is actually located in the trunk, but in order to access that, the only way we have from here is this electronic trunk release. So if the battery's dead, that's not gonna work. So what we actually need to do is pop the hood, and then we're gonna take a look under the hood in the next shot. Once the hood's open, we'll take a look on the passenger side. And this area right here is where we can jumpstart or charge the battery that's located in the trunk. Under this cap right here will be the positive terminal to clamp onto, and the negative terminal to clamp onto will be right here. So once you jumpstart or charge the battery and the vehicle has power, then the electronic trunk release that we looked at in the previous shot will work as normal. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can get access to the battery in the trunk if you're unable to jumpstart or charge using the method we're looking at right here. So in order to get access to the battery in the trunk without going under the hood like we looked at in the previous shot, what you'll need to do is open the driver's door using the emergency key like we looked at in the beginning of this video. Once the driver's door is open, you'll need to reach back and manually unlock the rear door behind it. Once you have that door unlocked, we'll open it. Take a look in here, and we need to put down this rear seat like that. And then what you're gonna need to do is crawl into the trunk and pull the emergency release that we see right there, that white handle. And once you pull that handle and push up, it'll open the trunk. So once the trunk's open, using one of the two methods that we looked at in the previous shots, we can go in the trunk, and we need to pick this back deck lid up. If you grab this loop right here and pull up, and there's also this little hook right here. If you get that, it'll clip on like that just to keep that deck lid up out of your way. And then once we have that open, we can see our battery right there. So that should be everything you need to know to either jumpstart or charge it, or to completely change the battery in your vehicle. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.